Hello developers, in today's video we will understand how we can create our first project in Jetpack Compose. So this is the screen which I'm gonna design. In last two videos we have seen some theory part, but now we will start coding. Okay, so let's get started. In Android Studio I need to select new project. Okay, just click on new project and here I'll select MPT activity, then click on next. Here I'll give my project name, so I'll give, you can give any name. So here I'm giving Hello Compose app and then click on finish. Rest of the detail I'm leaving as it is, so I'll click on finish. Now let's wait for some time. So project is creating as we can see here. Okay, so as we can see, project has created successfully. Now firstly I'll create one virtual device to launch application. So here we have one option, device manager. I click there and here I have already created one device, that is Pixel 9 Pro. If you don't know how we can create virtual device, what you can do, just click on this create virtual device and then you will be able to create one Android virtual device. Okay, so I'm opening it. So emulator is launching and here we can see, so here we can see this is our virtual device where we will test our application. Okay, now first I'm launching application. I did not change anything. Okay, this is our default code, so I did not change anything. First I launch it and let's see. I click on run button to check output and here we can see application has launched successfully and we can see output hello Android. Hello, that is this hello we are passing from this greeting function and here we are appending hello. So here I need hello compose instead of hello Android. So what I can do here on line number 24 I'll pass compose, okay, instead of hello. Now I'm launching again and here we can see output hello compose. Perfect. Now I need this hello compose in center. So here inside compose function I'll do, here I'll write code. First fill max dot wrap content alignment center alignment, and I need this tag in center, so I'll use alignment center. Okay, perfect. Now and here for now I'm hiding this emulator. Okay, and here first font weight I'll use bold. Font size I can take 30 sp and color we can take color blue. Okay, now okay, that's it. Now let's launch application again. So here I'll click on this refresh button and here we can see output hello compose. So this is how we can create first project in Jetpack Compose. That's all for this video. I'll catch you later.